Good day everyone. So now we are going to talk about limits at infinity. So as you can see here, no, muna siyang ginatawag na infinity and I'm sure every one of you is familiar with that, no? At ginatawag mga infinity rings at sa mga sikat na mga butang diha, no? So there will be a time na we have limits at infinity or we also have at negative infinity. Now how are we going to deal with these problems here? For example number 1, so the limit of this function here as x approaches to infinity, how to solve it? So this one would be sa numerator denominator pangitaon nimo kung unsa ang pinakadako na um, power or exponent. So here we can see that 3 ang pinakadako na exponent, therefore mo na siya atong igawas. And then ang mahitabo dire is may mo siya 3. So unsa na to siya para may mahimong x squared. So dapat 3x over sorry. So 3 over x squared ay dapat 3 over x lang. No, kay x cube over x mahimo siya x squared. Then ang kani para mahimo siya 6. So para mahimo siya 6 mo na to siya og 6 over x cube, diba? So 6x cube over x cube mahimo gyapon siya 6. Same goes with the denominator here. So si x cube yapon ang pinakadako, so x cube times 2 plus, so x man na siya, so unsa atong buhaton para mahimog 5x, so 5 over x squared and plus 3 over x cube. So ngano kanina na pag i-times na to 2x cube, pag i-times na to 5x cube over x squared, simply 5x, and kani 3x cube over x cube is equivalent to 3. Okay, what's next? So therefore si x cube ug si x cube diri would be cancelled. So ang nahibilin, so kani siya is 4 plus, guys, as x approaches to infinity, so 3 divided by number na infinity, or 3 divided by infinity, so habang gadako ang number mag-approximate to 0 na siya. So approximation 0. So 3 divided by infinity is equivalent to 0. So kanipod, no, si 6 divided by infinity is 0. Infinity cube 0. Then sa baba mabilis 2, then kana 0 na pud na and 0 as well. So therefore 4 over 2, so the limit of the function 4x squared is cubed ay, sorry. I-rewrite na to kay para klaro ta. So limit to x cubed plus 5x plus 3 is equivalent to 4 over 2, or the final answer is 2. Okay, let's go with number 2. Okay, very easy, same lang gyapon mahitabo. So muna to siya og x cubed times 6 plus 4 x over x cubed plus 5 over x cubed. Tama, no? Ay, sorry, kani mali. Dapat 4, but x lang siya. 4 over x. So 4x cubed over x. Sorry, so tama. Okay, all over kani siya is x cubed 8 plus kani siya is 7 over x squared. Kaya x cubed over x squared is equivalent to x minus 3 over x cubed. So 3 over x cubed times x cubed is equivalent to 3. So same goes cancel. So kana siya mga wala na siya mga 0. So therefore our answer is 6 over 8 or 3 over 4. Okay, guys, do not forget to box your final answer. Ginaminusan ako ang walay box, no? Alright. Now, how about if dili sila parehas og power? Si numerator or si denominator. Let's have this example. The limit of 4x plus 5 over x squared plus 1 as x approaches to infinity. How are we going to do that? So, same gapon ang process. So, ang process is, isa-isa na to, si numerator sa, unsa ang highest exponent. So, x. And 4 plus 5 over x. Okay? So, obviously, mawala na siya unya, no? Pero unsa unya nato na siya hilabtan. So, kani, x squared times 1 plus kasama ni siya 1 over x squared. So, x squared, okay, x squared times 1 over x squared is equivalent to 1. So, kani siya, mawala na siya. And kani, x over x squared, so, mabilin is x na lang. No, direct na to. So, that's 4. Sige. 0 naman, ano na to. Sige. Gisulat naman ako as approaches to infinity. So, 4 plus 5 for x over x times 1 plus 1 over x squared. So, as x approaches to infinity, so, mahitabo siya as 4 plus 5 over infinity all over infinity times tama ba ne? Infinity times 1 plus 1 over infinity squared. Okay? So, let's see if tama ba ito ang gibuhat. 4x plus 5. Hold on. Okay. So, may tabuan ni 4 plus 0 over infinity times 1 plus 0. So, guys, infinity times infinity is infinity times 1 is equivalent to infinity. Therefore, 4, man siya 4 over infinity man na siya, no? So, 4 over infinity is just equivalent to infinity. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay. Next. Okay. Sir, what ka nang lisod-lisod on example? Can I square it? Alright. So, let's have number 4, the square root of 9x squared plus 4. So, same process lang yapon, no? Dito makulbaan mga inani. Ang buhaton lang diri is kung unsang highest exponent, para ba ito isulod, di ba? So, x squared times 9 plus 4 over x squared. Okay? All over x times 6 plus 1 over x. Yan. So, guys, the square root of x squared is x. Pero, the absolute value of x man siya, diba? Kaya, pag i-squared kayo na itong x squared, na siya positive o negative x. Now, para mas masabtan siya, no, i-recall na to ang absolute value. So, the definition of absolute value, x. So, x o negative x, kani siya, positive x atong kuhaon na root if x is greater than or equal to 0. Plus negative x if x is less than 0. So, this is positive infinity, oh, positive infinity. So, therefore, ang kuhaon na to na x value is ang positive x. So, may tabuhan na ron is x. Malimtan na sulat ang limit. So, may tabuhan na ron kis square root of x squared is x. Tapos, ang mabilin is the square root of 9 plus 4 over x squared all over x times 6 plus 1 over x. Cancel. So, mabilin, kana na lang. So, as x approaches to infinity, so the square root of 9 plus 4 divided by infinity square, that's 0. Kana siya, 6 plus 1 over infinity is 0. Diba? So, therefore, the square root of 9 is 3. over 6 or 1/2, which is our final answer. Okay. Next, and the last example for limits at infinity. So 5x plus 6 over 4x squared minus 8. So this one is approaching to the negative infinity. So same lang gyapon. So may tabuan na is gawas na to si x times 5 plus 6 over x. And sa baba, the square root of saman to. Sorry. Back. Square root of 4x squared. Sorry. Dapat x squared na siya, gigawas na to. Times 4 minus 8 over x squared. Okay, tama na siya. So, ang nakalahi dire, since the square root of x squared, so unsa tong kaon sa positive x o negative x, take note that again the absolute value of that kuhaon nato ang negative x if x is less than 0, in which kani ang limit nato is padulong siya sa negative infinity. So therefore ang atong kaon dira is ang negative x. So ang mahitabo is x over negative x na siya dira. Then kani siya is 5 plus 6 over x. Then kani siya is the square root of 4 minus 8 over x squared. Okay? So, mabilin ana negative 1 na lang. Negative pa. Sige, negative ang denominator. So, as x approaches to negative infinity, all over negative times square root of 4 minus, okay, so mawala ang mabilin 5 over negative square root of 4, which is 2, or we can say that our final answer is negative 5 over 2. That is our final answer. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Our next topic would be continuity.